hi to my fellow SAGE members, samahan ng Atenistang graduate ng Economics at Management Economics. And with me is our new member of SAGE, Mr. Eugene De La Cruz. I really had a fun time dun sa ating
Salamat po, ma'am.
Pag-uusap sa podcast. Maraming salamat sa mga insights na na share mo. If you want to watch that, the full conversation, you can go to our YouTube channel and our podcast channel as well. Ngayon, I'm going to give you the floor kasi ang buhay ni Eugene was really transformed by the help of a lot of people and of course also his resilience and the importance of scholarship.
Yes po.
Kaya, mga SAGE people, I'll give you the floor.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po for having me, Ma'am Rose. And for SAGE also, maraming salamat po for the support that you've given me. Even if I was still a scholar 2 years ago, the amount of expertise and information that has been given to me throughout the years was overwhelming. But ultimately, I put it to good use. And now na I knew about SAGE making a scholarship for economics students, first of all, gusto ko lang po, I'd like to borrow a quote from my speech po in the Aasa Thanksgiving that when hope is shared, it multiplies. And it gives not only another Eugene a chance at life, but also a chance to have a better life for his or her family also, as well. Sa katunayan po, hindi lang ako sa Ateneo naging scholar. Naging scholar din po ako ng iba't ibang individual na naging instrumento po ng Panginoon to be where I am today. And it indeed takes a village po to be where I am today. So now that SAGE is creating one, I just hope the best, and hopefully in the near future, I'd be able to contribute to that meaningful advocacy as well.
Yes, so contribute na tayo sa ating SAGE Scholarship Fund. And we will see you on November 29 at 11 a.m. at the Singson Hall for our 3rd SAGE Alumni Homecoming.
Thank you po,
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Salamat po. I mustered up my courage to come out na po. Baka naman hindi sila magalit kasi may medal naman ako mauuwi. I gave my medal to my grandmother and then I came out. Sabi ko po, Lola, may sasabihin din po ako. Ganun. Sana po tanggapin niyo po ako. Ganun. I came out as gay. And then from there, nagalit na po siya. Like talagang on top of her lungs. So, nasigaw. Tinapon po ni Lola yung bag ko. We had a sari-sari store. Ang daming tao sa labas, nakatambay. Tapos biglang binato po yung gamit ko. So, everyone was looking at me and parang their gaze were, alam mo po yun, nakakahiya. I want to wipe it away. Parang sabi ko, huwag po kayo sa akin tumingin. Kasi hiyang-hiya po ako. I was picking up my things. And then parang yung gamit ko po was on the pavement na po sa labas ng bahay.
At age 12 ito?
At age 12 po. Pag gising ko po, usually, manlilimos na po ako agad.
Tsaka nakapwesto?
Para meron po akong, kung saan lang po abutan ng umaga. Usually, lumalapit po ako, ganun. Like, alam niyo yun po yung nagtatawag po sa jeepney, like barter. Yes, sometimes I do that. Sometimes, naghuhugas po ako ng pinggan in carinderias. Sometimes po,
ay, sasabihin mo, pwede ho ako maghugas
yes,
for a fee?
Okay. Even for a meal, okay na po ako.
Okay,
and then,
that's good.
Naging tindera din po ako sa Divisoria. You know, the famous parang pasok mga suki.
Gusto ko malaman yan.
Nagkaroon po ako ng galis. Hindi lang po siya as visible, but itong mga pantal po na to, kakatulog po sa kalye. And then, sa sobrang infected na po niya, hindi ko na ma-close yung fingers ko po.
At tumaba na?
Opo.
Tell us kung saan ka nag-apply.
Online applications lang po. UP Lasal Ateneo.
Okay,
yun tatlo lang.
Okay.
And
tapos,
then, economics for all.
Okay, since you already mentioned economics, why economics?
Opo. I'd have to be practical po nung bata ako. Kasi parang, given my background, I need a college degree na makakapag-land sa akin ng job right after graduation. Kasi I don't have a place to go home to. Luckily, I passed all 3.
Valedictorian ka ng high school, tama ba?
Yes. Okay. I chose Ateneo kasi I saw this post somewhere na Ateneo takes great care of its scholars. And sabi ko, as someone with my background, parang I need that. I need someone who would protect me. Kasi parang throughout my life, a common occurrence was that ako yung naaapi. Lahat po ng donations, I bought 19 laptops, gave it to my fellow batchmates po na graduate ng high school. Kasi isa lang po yung reasoning ko for that. Nung pulubi po ako, hindi ko alam if yung piso na binibigay sa akin ng passersby is the only money that they have. And binibigay lang nila sa akin yun because I needed it more. So sabi ko po, who am I to save a portion of the money that was only given to me if it's a dream stolen away?
What was your favorite subject?
Favorite subject? Anything related to math. Opo. So,
kaya
math econ. Opo. Math econ and econometrics po.
Sino favorite professor mo sa econ?
Professor sa econ, ang dami po eh. Pero, I learned a lot from Dr. Joffrey Docanes.
Docanes.
Apo.
Sayang, hindi ka nag-enroll dun sa subject ko. Hindi
yun
mo ba
nga
nakita
po.
elective?
Di sana ko po yung favorite ko.
Oo.
Hindi, pero may isa din po akong prof na I really love, Dr. Mahalea Ravago. Hindi ko po siya naging teacher, pero I became yung student research assistant po. My long-term goal po is to have a house.
Of course.
It may sound materialistic, but it's my gift to my 12-year-old self not to live in the streets anymore. I don't want to romanticize poverty, and I don't want to validate parang child neglect and the like. Ayoko yung story ko ma-frame in such a way na parang, mahirap ka kasi kulang ka sa tiyaga. Parang ayoko po ng ganun. Gusto ko po ma-realize nila na I got here because I got lucky, and parang God used a lot of instruments. It took a village para lang literally to get me here. And sabi ko po sa isip ko, I saw this one comment na sana sa kada Eugene de la Cruz na pilit ipinaglalaban yung sarili nila, sana meron ding Pilipinas na handa silang ipaglaban. Maraming salamat po sa tulong ninyo dahil kung wala po yung tulong ninyo, hindi po kami makakarating dito. Secondly, this is also a huge call for others to contribute to the gift of scholarship. I know na parang this is a selfish request, pero dahil po sa tulong na iniabot po ninyo, meron pong isang ako na nakarating dito. And lastly, gusto ko lang po sabihin sa mga individual na nakakaranas din po ng nararanasan ko ngayon. I'd borrow a quote rather from my post. If you're still daring to breathe, if you're still barely surviving, if you're still trying to find your way here in this life, perhaps you'd get to a point where you would reach this point too. And I do hope and pray na sana marating mo kung ano yung nais mong paroroonan. And if you think na walang nagmamahal sa inyo, walang kumakalinga sa inyo, walang sumusuporta sa inyo, I hope that you would let me be that voice for you, even if in spirit only, na parang mamahalin kayo, ipagdarasal kayo, susuportahan kayo wherever you are. And if it's not of any consolation, then I hope you understand that heaven is definitely cheering you on. It's not, parang hindi siya nasa pedestal, katabi mo siya throughout your journey. And yun, padayon lang.
Wow! Wala na akong maidagdag. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po, Ma'am Rose.
You are such an inspiration, and I think you've already found your purpose for the meantime.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po for having me. Salamat po. Thank you po, ma'am.
Galingan mo pa, ha?
Opo, salamat po.
Yeah. After our interview, I invited Eugene to have lunch with us at home. I had a chance to get to know him even more. He also asked for career advice from me and my husband, Marvin. And because I wanted him to really develop a strong FQ, I gifted him with my latest book, High FQ by Design, and a starter investment kit so he could start his regular and automatic saving and investing as he starts with his first job after college. Good luck, Eugene, and to everyone else needing some inspiration at the moment. Hopefully, our country will reform its structures so each Filipino can have access to quality education. For the meantime, if you can afford to donate to scholarship funds, please do so. You may email me at mfausto@ateneo.edu or rose@fqmom.com if you want to donate to the scholarship fund of SAGE, Samahan ng mga Atenistang graduate ng Economics at Management Economics. Maraming salamat po.